We today have made a formal request to Health Canada to amend the exemption to the Controlled Drugs and Substances Act. In short, this amendment will make public drug use illegal in British Columbia.
BC struggled with this. They really felt like they were doing the right thing in terms of harm reduction when they brought this policy in. But it is, again, a really hard narrative to combat when you have frontline nurses say, I can't go home and breastfeed my baby because I was exposed to fentanyl smoke today. I think it was the right decision. Again, I think it shows humility for the government to say, we tried it because, this is a problem across Canada. Jurisdictions are trying different ways to approach it. BC tried this way, and as it was standing, it wasn't working.
I think it was a bad idea to begin with, and I'm glad that I'm right. Sometimes we see opposition scream and shout, as that is their role. There's a difference between listening to that and the public's. Like the public versus the opposition, I think is two very different audiences that really do impact what the government would do.
When you're in any position, if you're the opposition or government, it's sort of a combination of both that pushes you to make decisions. Like opposition is most effective when they are capitalizing on a sentiment the public already feels. If it's just the opposition, there's just less interest from the media. There's less interest from the public who are picking it up on social media platforms. There isn't the kind of movement or public pressure that a government feels when they are moved to action. Is this just something that the opposition is pushing, or is this something that the public deeply cares about? And when you have both at the same time, it's pretty hard to ignore.